everyone, did you see the movie called Pam's Pizza? Today I will show you how to make pancake. At first, pour the pancake powder and milk in the bowl and add eggs. Then stir and mix all together. Can you see this? It looks very yummy and smells good. Then pour this on pan. If you heat the pancake, you can see the small bubble. The bubble is bigger. You can turn it over. You can spread the jam on the pancake. Let's make the pancake. You need to do this up and butter and do another up and butter.
Oh, I see.
I am heating the pancake. Later, you can see some bubbles over here.
Okay.
We can hurt our fingers.
That's right.
Or if it is so strong,
Mm-hmm.
and it can, I can see some bubbles over here.
Oh.
I need to do like this and butter and like this and bubble.
Put some butter. Oh, I see.